Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to replace this faucet for the under sink water treatment or water purification system. It's pretty easy, you don't need any tools or any handyman experience. I've got a new faucet, it's over there. I'm going to show you the pieces and I will teach you how to do it safely. Okay, this is the faucet itself. It comes with 8 pieces that you need them to install them in a correct order, so you will not have any problems in the future. So I'm going to teach you how to install and assemble this before you remove the other one, because if you know how to assemble it, you know how to remove the other one. There's this tiny washer. It's a little bit thick and it's black and rubber. Just place it over here and push it in. As you can see, it's up there. Okay, and then you're going to place this steel cover right up there, and after that this other rubber washer. These 3 pieces are the ones that they go above the sink, the others are for below the sink. Okay, let's imagine that it is inside the hole or in the sink. Okay, from the bottom you install this rubber washer again, and then you use this kind of nut, I think it is, so to fasten it up. You can use your hand to fasten it. And after that you have these 3 pieces left. Okay, these 3 pieces are for attaching the pipe to the faucet. I'm going to teach you how to install these when we are assembling the faucet itself. Okay, this is what it looks like under the sink. It is a little bit cramped here. I hope I can show you what to do perfectly. As you can see back there, there is a blue valve. You have to close it. This is the entry water. Okay, so there's no water going inside the system, and you have to unplug the system, so there is no electricity. There's also this huge tank here. Yours also have it. You have to twist and close the valve on that one too. So let's just push this aside. After that you have to find the pipe that goes to the faucet up there. So this is mine. Okay, you can just follow it, and as you can see there's an attachment here in the middle. I want to remove this and install this tiny blue valve so I can close it, and before I change the faucet itself, so I have better control over the system. So to install this one, it's very easy. You have to remove this joint in the middle. You have to push these back, and so you push them in and then remove the pipe little by little. There could be some small leakage, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, that's it. So you see the pipe is removed. You have to do the other side too. Push that tiny part inside and then pull the pipe out. So this one is removed. The system is called push fit. Okay, it's very easy to install and remove them. So this is the valve. There is no wrong way to install it. Okay, I'm just going to push it in. You're going to hear it click. There it is. And the other side. Okay, I think this is all right now. Okay, let's just make sure it is all right, and I hope it is fine. There's no water leaking, so you don't have to worry about it at the moment. You have to find the pipe that goes up to your faucet up there. Okay, this is one for me. As you can see, there's a tap on it, there's a valve on it. You can just easily close it, and I recommend disconnecting the power for this system. Okay, now there is no water going up there. Alright, it is very easy to remove it. To remove it, this, you remember, this was our faucet installation order. Okay, and this one used to install the pipe. So you have to remove the pipe first. So you have to open this nut. Okay, to remove this nut, you have to use a wrench. Okay, because you're not going to be able to remove it. I'm going to use this size 13 wrench to remove that. Okay, it's a little bit tricky and a little bit difficult because that place is really cramped and I cannot put the camera up there. You won't be able to see it, but when I remove it you will be able to see what happened. Okay, so I'm going up there and removing the pipe. Okay, So let's get started with this. So I have to open my way. Let's put this on the floor. Okay, I was able to remove the pipe. This is the pipe I was talking about. This is the bolt, okay, and this is the white washer I told you earlier. But we have to remove this part. We have to cut this off and install the new washers. For now, we're just going to leave it like this. There's nothing we have to do now because you have to remove the faucet first, okay. While I was opening this nut, I noticed that it was not really similar to this one, okay, because you can use your hand to open and close this faucet. The one I have, I will bring it out and you'll see it. It has a nut and I have to use a wrench again, okay. So let me remove that, bring it out, and I'll show you the result. To remove that nut, I have to use wrench size 14, okay. It's very easy. You have to just loosen it up and then you can remove it with your hand. So, okay, it's loose now. Okay, it's off. This is the nut I was talking about, okay? This is more difficult than this one because you can easily use your hand, you fasten or open this one. This is the same size, you see? So, as you can see, the faucet is loose. I'm just going to remove it. See, totally removed, okay? And we're just going to put it here in the sink for the moment. Okay, this is the new faucet. Let me just remove this because it goes from the bottom. Oopsie, I'll take care of it. And let me remove the washer. So this is the part that you have to install from the top. Okay, you just put it right here. And that's it. You can adjust it later, okay? So you have to go down there and install it. As I told you earlier, you have to install this first and then this nut to fasten it up. Okay, now the faucet is installed. It looks all right. And you can move it a little bit, okay, it is all right, but before you make it tight all the way, you have to adjust it. It looks all right to me, and then fasten it, okay, make it tight so it won't move in the future. Okay, so let's do that. You don't have to tighten it that much, okay, it is all right if it moves a little bit. So this is fine. Okay, now we are going to install the pipe. Okay, this is the pipe. To install it, we have to cut this part off, okay? So you can use one of these tools or anything, even a knife to remove this. So I'm just going to cut it. It is all right. Now we can just place it here. So, and remove this nut. Our new faucet came with these 3 pieces. Okay. This one, this is hollow. It goes inside the pipe, okay? Just put it here and push it in, okay? That's it. And then this washer, okay? It goes around the pipe, so just do that. Before you install this, you have to put your bolt, okay? So your bolt goes in there, and then you install this washer. So you go down there, you push it into the what we call the faucet. This is the old one, okay? It is the same. They're very similar, okay? Just push it in here and then you have to fasten it up. Okay, our faucet is completely installed and there's no leakage down there or up here, and I plugged it in, I opened the water, and let's test it. It works perfectly. So good job, guys. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Handy Around Home for more simple DIY fixes.